G'day, my name's Tomo and welcome to another episode of Tomo's Tune-Ups. On this episode we are talking about the transfer housing bolt replacement and stud kit available from Minisport. So why do we need to replace bolts and studs? Well, over time, the more you take them in and out, the more they're going to wear. They might start to round, they might start to slip, and they might even start to strip. So it is advised that if you're pulling the transfer case housing off, to replace the bolts and or studs when you take it apart. Now, it's not a necessity, you don't need to do it every single time, but if you're refurbishing and rebuilding your engine, you've got everything pulled apart, it's worthwhile throwing in a set of these. They're not overly expensive with the price listed below, so it is worthwhile investing in these when you've got everything apart and do it while it's all apart. That way it's easy to do when everything's stripped rather than doing it when it's in the car. It does come with a variety of things, everything from studs, nuts, washers and bolts. So check them out guys on the website listed below at www.minisport.com.au, and we'll see you right here on another episode of Tomo's Tune-Ups.